Hey, crypto enthusiasts, get ready to dive deep into the ultimate guide for optimizing your crypto portfolio during the bull run of 2024 with these 8 top-tier cryptos. Join us on an exciting exploration with our video crafting the best crypto portfolio for the 2024 bull run. Get ready for invaluable insights, expert tips, and maybe a few surprises along the way. Before we start, a quick reminder, this video is not financial advice, but it's packed with strategies to help you make the most of the upcoming crypto boom. Let's build your winning portfolio together. Number 8. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the OG of the crypto world, is like the wise grandpa who paved the way for all the wild crypto adventures. It's not your get-rich-quick scheme. Think of it as your digital gold, a long-term investment that keeps your portfolio in check. This bad boy isn't just heard of, it's the rock star everyone knows. Why? Well, it's super liquid, trades easily for any crypto you fancy, and in some places, it's like the official currency cool kids use. Plus, it's got that big capitalization swag and isn't bothered by the inflation drama. Number 7. Ethereum. Guess what's cooking in the crypto world? Ethereum. The second biggest player is riding the rocket with its price rocketing to a 5-month high, currently flirting around 1900. In the past week, it's danced up by 6%, and over the month, it's grooved up by a whopping 15%. Ethereum's got a swagger now, flaunting a market cap of $227.4 billion. Hold your horses. That's not the end of the story. Analysts are doing the happy dance too, predicting Ethereum could moonwalk its way to 8,000 by the year 2026. Yeah, you read that right. 5 times the current vibe. Why? Well, apparently Ethereum is becoming the cool kid in the blockchain scene, throwing parties with smart contracts and making a splash in gaming. Buckle up, Ethereum is on a wild ride and is bringing the craze to the crypto carnival. Number 6. Avalanche. Step right up to the Avalanche extravaganza, where the AVAX token is stealing the show. This blockchain fiesta is not your average gathering. It's a DeFi playground, a corporate network launchpad, and is bustling trade floor for digital and financial assets. The AVAX token isn't just a pretty face, it's got serious street cred with booming capitalization, attracting the big guns, traders, and institutional investors alike. Worried about party crashers like inflation? Fear not, there's a deflationary bouncer in place. And talk about keeping it real, decentralization is the name of the game, with developers holding less than 5% of the coin's stash. If you're into stacking your crypto chips, the ecosystem's wallet is your cozy VIP lounge. Need for speed? In Avalanche, transactions are quicker than a 1-second magic trick. AVAX is not just a token, it's the headliner at the crypto carnival, and the crowd is loving every minute of it. AVAX is the rockstar token at the Avalanche shindig, and this isn't your run-of-the-mill concert. It's a DeFi Woodstock, a corporate Coachella, and a trading Lollapalooza, all rolled into one. If you want to learn more about making money with DeFi, check out my video, The Ultimate Guide to Profit from DeFi Crypto, in the link above. Number 5. Cardano. Guess who's doing the crypto tango this year? It's Cardano, or ADA, and boy is it grooving. The digital token has been on a roller coaster, scoring a 45% gain year to date and a mind-blowing nearly 500% increase over the past 5 years. ADA is like the rock star of the crypto realm, ranking 3rd in the charts after the Bitcoin and Ethereum headliners, flaunting a market cap that's more than 100 billion. Why is ADA stealing the spotlight? Well, it's the heartthrob of crypto bulls, strutting its stuff in DeFi networks. Move over Ethereum. Cardano is coming for the throne, playing the main competitor in the smart contract and DeFi game. Picture this: financial functions on digital ledgers. No need for the intermediaries to dance with banks and brokerages. After a recent 20% price party, analysts are throwing confetti in the air, getting all starry-eyed and predicting more ADA gains in the crypto carnival. Alright, fellow crypto enthusiasts, if you're as hyped as we are about maximizing gains and navigating seeing the exciting twists of the crypto market, show some love by hitting that like button, and why not join the squad by subscribing to our channel. Your support fuels our passion to deliver more invaluable insights, making this crypto journey an epic adventure we embark on together. Number 4, Polygon. Enter Matic, the superhero token of the Polygon network, swooping in to tackle Ethereum scalability issues like a boss. It's got these cool tools that turbocharge transaction speed, crank up security, and make DEX applications a breeze to work with. And hey, besides flexing its scalability muscles, Matic rolls with minimal fees, plays nice with other blockchains, and it has the stamp of approval from the big shots. You can't mine this gem, but fear not, snagging it is a piece of cake through exchanges, exchangers, or whatever floats your fiat currency boat. Just keep an eye on those exchangers though. Trustworthiness and low commissions are the name of the game. Matic is the Robin Hood of the crypto Sherwood Forest, taking from Ethereum's complexity and giving the people simplicity. It's like a crypto hero with a bow and arrow, shooting minimal fees and compatibility arrows, creating a lively team vibe that echoes through the forest of blockchains. Number 3, Polkadot. Alright, imagine Polkadot as the cosmic hub for blockchain exchange, doing the data tango across different chains like a decentralized dance party. Gavin Wood kicked off this interstellar adventure in 2016, dubbing it the Web3 Foundation. Now, the DOT token, aka the Polkadot magic currency, dances through the network, showing off its moves in network management, staking shenanigans, and commission payments. We're talking about Plank, the DOT's smallest party animal unit. Crunchbase spills the beans that Polkadot ranked in a cool 336.7 million in funding, sporting a cosmic 5 billion cap with a daily trading volume of 70 million. The project team, oh, they're like the wizards, constantly spicing up the cosmic concoction, attracting new cosmic cash and users to join the intergalactic fiesta. If you want to learn more about Web3 and Web 3.0, check out my video, How to Make Money with Web 3.0, in the link above. Number 2, Cosmos. It's like the superhero headquarters for the native Atom token, and trust me, it's got growth potential shooting through the roof. This cross-platform WizKid is like the ultimate matchmaker, linking different blockchains in one grand party where they all high-five and collaborate like it's nobody's business. The project's rock-solid fundamentals make problem-solving a breeze and open up wild possibilities in the world of DEX networks. Plus, this place is buzzing with applications, working its magic not just in exchanges, but also in cozying up with real-world corporations. And guess what? Media big shots are giving it the eyeballs, sending those coin quotes on a rocket ride to the moon. It's a wild, promising ecosystem, and Atom is living its best life. Cosmos is the Swiss Army knife of the crypto universe. It's not just cutting through problems, it's also opening up new dimensions, solving puzzles, and turning every challenge into a cosmic adventure. Number 1, Binance Coin. Alright, strap in for the BNB Bonanza, the crypto cash ruling the Binance playground. Think of it as your exclusive pass to the Binance Exchange Bash. Why is this worth having in your crypto collection? Well, first, it's been on this wild growth spree since day one. Binance, the party planner extraordinaire, keeps the vibe steady, pulling in new faces like a crypto magnet. Now check this out. Use BNB for your crypto shenanigans on this exchange and you're in for discounts, commission cuts, and maybe a virtual high five. I'm kidding, but you can catch my drift. BNB isn't just a digital high flyer. It's the global rock star paying for real world goodies, tickets, gadgets, you name it. Oh, and did I mention you can stake it for some sweet extra dough? BNB is the crypto chameleon of the Binance jungle. It adapts to any situation, whether you're swinging through the vines of trading or stealthily navigating the branches of staking. It's the versatile sidekick you didn't know you needed in your crypto safari. From decoding the ABCs of crypto taxes to unveiling advanced strategies, we've navigated the crypto cosmos together. By implementing these winning strategies, you're not just optimizing your portfolio for success, you're gearing up to conquer the bull market like a true crypto champion. So hit that subscribe button if you're ready to skyrocket your gains, and don't forget to check out my other videos regarding the incoming bull market and ways to keep your crypto safe. Your unwavering unwavering support means the world to us, and it fuels our commitment to delivering more valuable content as we continue this thrilling journey together.